What if your power station can fully recharge under an hour and it can provide instant power during an outage, and the best part, it can fit comfortably in your carry-on? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's built to last. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Inside of the box, you're gonna find the quick start guide, a safety documentation, AC charging cable, and optional solar accessories, and the compact Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 unit with built-in display.
And since they claim to have the fastest recharging portable power station by the World Guinness records, I think it's time to test it out. So after using it for a long time, I drained the battery to almost dead. So I connected it at 6:28 p.m. But in order to have the ultra fast charging, you need to make sure that you have the app. And once you go on the app, you need to open it and enable the ultra fast charging, because trust me, it does make a big difference into charging it in less than an hour. I just opened the app, click into my power station, and it connects right away. By 6:35 p.m. I was already at 7% without the ultra fast charging. Then I turned it on and it actually went even faster. It went from 7% to 9% in a few seconds, giving me 1500 watts of output, and I was already at 14% at 6:39 p.m. So that was already increasing really fast. And for this testing, I did set up a GoPro, but I fully forgot about setting up a timer. But I do have the metadata from these videos, and I kept coming back so I could keep turning on the display, and it did finish to 100% after 44 minutes at 7:12 p.m. So that was pretty fast.
Now the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 is 24.9 pounds and is 14% lighter and 11% more compact than its previous versions, but it still feels very premium, and I love the handles that you can take it anywhere, and it's very easy to just lift and go. Now the first impressions is that Anker did a fantastic job. This right here has a clean interface, it looks very sleek, and it gives you the performance with professional lifestyle, but yet is ready to take it on the go anywhere you want. You can just simply put it in your car or store it in your closet. Now, how to connect and use and charging it is a game changer. The AC recharge to 100% in just 49 minutes using the HyperFlash technology with ultra fast charge mode enabled, and that's faster than most laptops. The solar input supports up to 600 watt, which is perfect for off-the-grid setups. Through the companion app, you can monitor power flows, set charging modes, and activate UPS support with under 10 milliseconds switch over to keep critical devices running automatically. And now let's talk about some of the most important features about the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2, because I think they're very important and very unique, especially for the size of this power station. When it comes to power and capacity, a 1024 watt live PO4 battery with a lifespan of 4000 cycles is giving you over a decade of reliable usage. A 2000 watt continuous output, 3000 watt peak power is enough for major appliances, tools, and multiple devices simultaneously. The compact and quiet design weighs just about 24.9 pounds, making it highly portable without sacrificing power. It runs quietly under 20 decibels when discharging under 200 watt, so you can work, sleep without the noise interruptions. The versatile port selection is equipped with 5 AC outlets, multiple USB-C, including 2 high wattage at 140 watt ports, USB-A, and 120 watt car cycle outlet with plenty options for any device. Now, when it comes to the smart app control, it gives you the real-time monitoring and control it via the Anker app. You can adjust the charging rates, set the threshold for the battery health, and activate the search pad for extra output, or keep the firmware update for new features. And last but not least, you can enable the tow mode so you can save money. Now, when it comes to usage scenarios, the most important one is going to be the emergency readiness. Just in case if you're at home and a sudden blackout happens, you can protect your essentials during a blackout, the Wi-Fi, lights, and even your fridge, because the Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 is automatically powered with UPS mode.
For instance, here the fast charger is activating upon receiving the power outage notification, and the 49-minute charge accumulated enough power for the refrigerator to operate for 12 hours. This is also great if if you work on the computer to ensure uninterrupted computer data.
This is also great for on-site productivity because from tools to laptops, the C1000 Gen 2 supports the professionals who need a compact, reliable power on the move.
And after testing it with the air fryer for food just in case of an outage, my workstation, and my creative production equipment, all I had to do is just get the charging cable, plugging it in the back, and it will begin to charge in less than an hour to 100%.
The Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 isn't just a battery, it's a portable, faster charging, and smarter energy hub with revolutionary hyper-flash, compact design, app-controlled, and rugged longevity that it fits seamlessly into your home, outdoors, or even emergency life. So if you're ready to power up faster, smarter, and longer, the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 is ready to deliver power, performance, and reliability whether you're at home, at work, or even outdoors off the grid. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.